Guys, welcome to 40 Wiltshire Ave in Jane Brook. Beautiful modern 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home set on an easy care block opposite Wiltshire Park, which is just delightful. Nice and elevated with a great vista. Room for the caravan next to the double garage. Let's have a look inside. Off to your right is the master bedroom. Through that door into the walk-in robe, it's full length. So lovely big master bedroom. Nice outlook into the front yard. The ensuite with big shower, double vanity, and a separate loo. Double garages off the hallway so you can access inside without getting wet. And then one big open living, which is just delightful. Kitchen was designed by a woman, seeing as there's or someone who loves to cook, should I say. All drawers. Dishwasher, gas hot plate and electric oven with grill. Nice big pantry. And again, guys, a big open living area. Let's have a look at this. Go through to the secondary bedrooms. So there's 4 in total. All the bedrooms are large. This bedroom has a semi-ensuite, so it goes into the bathroom, and 3-door built-in robe. There's only a couple that live here, so they have this room set up as a gym, but again, built-in robes, nice and big. And then the 4th bedroom, which is set up as set up for sewing room, etc. I mean, it's huge. It's a big, big room with built-in robes again. Let's go and have a look outside. So off the living area, we go out into an alfresco entertaining area. Access to the front of the home. And then for those that are looking for a good sized shed, we've got a shed in the backyard. So 3 metres by 5 metres. It's just beautifully set up, immaculate. If you want to take a look at this one, guys, we're doing private viewings. We can do a FaceTime walkthrough with you if you like. However you want, just give us a call.